This AI posts viral content to 15 platforms every single day. And you never have to film, write, or show your face. I know that sounds too good, but hear me out. ContentClaw scans what's already going viral across the internet, recreates it as your content, and publishes it daily to 15 platforms completely on its own. No camera, no writing, no scheduling. It even drops your affiliate links right into the posts, so every piece of content is working to earn commissions. We're talking Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, 15 platforms simultaneously, all running while you focus on literally anything else. The audience it builds doesn't just sit there either. Those followers, fans, and subscribers are set up to auto-convert into real affiliate income. Abhi2of80 built this with a conversion funnel tested to hit 34%. This isn't a side hustle experiment, it's a full system. Click the link below and get ContentClaw running for you today.